Hello guys, welcome back to the MMO YouTube channel where we teach you how you can make money online. So in today's video we are talking about AMC stocks. So what is going on with AMC stocks lately? Why does it has so much rumors around it? Why the price skyrocketed on Friday? And is it going to go up or is it just a trick so it will go down soon? We are talking here about bombshell of a news, so please watch this video till the end so I can explain you why AMC stock is raising so high and why will it hit $1,000 mark. These are extremely important news, so please make sure to watch till the end. Vegas has reopened, but you don't need to go there. Betting on AMC Entertainment Holding stock should do the trick. I'm just kidding. AMC shares have now almost tripled just this week, including another 25% surge as 10 a.m. EDT this morning. So what? As of mid-May, more than 20% of AMC shares were still held short, and traders are trying successfully to drive another short squeeze. A concreted effort by retail traders on Reddit's WallStreetBets forum and possibly institutional players as well continues to drive shares of the theater operator higher. There is fundamental case for AMC business to improve. The earlier spike in shares gave the company an opportunity to raise more capital and stave off thoughts of bankruptcy and short them. In January, CEO Adam Aaron told investors that after raising $900 million since December 2020, the company had successfully navigated the shutdowns and restrictions of theaters, adding, "This means that any talk of an immediate bankruptcy for AMC is completely off the table." And the company has raised more money since then. But during the pandemic, the shares sold to raise capital have captured the outstanding share count to more than 450 million, more than 4 times the prior level. And the company's market capitalization has now soared to more than $15 million. The underlying business is recovering, but the new normal might not even be the same for theaters, as movies are released for streaming at the same time in some cases. But even if the business gets back to 2019 levels, the valuation is currently 20 times adjusted, and the company has to eventually deal with more than $5.5 billion in debt. But that's not the point. Fundamentals don't matter here. It's a game being played, and for now it's working. It remains to be seen who will be left without a chair when the music stops at some point. We are talking here about bombshell of a news, so please watch this video till the end so I can explain you why AMC stock is raising so high and why will it hit $1,000 mark. These are extremely important news, so please make sure to watch till the end. Of course, given that the shares are moving in line with GameStop and other meme stocks, there are likely other factors in play. Both AMC and GameStop stocks were highly shorted by Wall Street firms who saw a chance to benefit as pandemic-related shutdowns worsened problems the pair faced before COVID-19 emerged. The backfired tremendously early this year as retail investors bought the stocks, forcing the funds to buy as well to close the negative bets. Prices skyrocketed. Ihor Dusanivsky, managing director of short-selling analytics firm S3 Partner, told Baron short sellers were collectively down $6.7 billion year-to-date losses on GameStop, including $382 million on Wednesday alone. AMC short sellers were down $1.3 billion year-to-date. S3 Partners estimated GameStop short interest sits at 11.5 million shares of 20% available for trading. For AMC, S3 estimates a short interest of 92 million shares or 20%, that both stocks still possess a high potential for bigger squeeze, though it depends on price moves. The stock passionate fans, meanwhile, have themselves become a shareholder consistency, as AMC CEO Adam Aaron characterized them on the company's earnings call earlier this month. The Reddit users see themselves as fighting a battle against Wall Street insiders that they believe rig markets against the average investor. Walt, the B. Riley analyst, told Baron that while the latest move for AMC has included non-fundamental factors such as the potential short squeeze, he does believe investors are now more upbeat ability to avoid bankruptcy. Recent sales of stock have strengthened their balance sheet, he said. It's always difficult to comment repeatedly on any social media aspects that may or may not be influencing the stock price, but in this case, it was one that likely helped to take AMC to place of surviving the pandemic versus facing liquidation scenarios. Walt said, and with the number of retail investors surely are now eclipsing the number of institutional investors, though be various at market equity programs in recent months, it makes sense that it's becoming an increasing area of interest with the AMC story and AMC management in general. Webush analyst Michael Patcher, who has sell rating of 39 price target on GameStop, likened the situation of Wall Street. He said he is paid to tell investors what a company will earn in the future, but it is their job to figure out entry and exit points. Yes, there is a lot of analysis who play along, so at the end, shares in a movie chain, AMC, and video game seller GameStop have risen to the highest level in months as retail investors are once again piling money into certain stocks to try to catch short sellers in a squeeze. AMC was changing hands at the new pandemic area above $22 a share on Thursday, above the previous record just over 20 in the set. So I would like to hear your opinion down below in the comments. What do you think? Will the stock go massive or will they shut down to zero? It's hard to tell from now on, but we'll see in the future. I believe that there is some politics definitely involved in this, and probably the big hedge funders are looking for a short squeeze. But we will see in the future what will they do against powerful Reddit community. The underlying business is recovering, but the new normal might not even be the same for theaters, as movies are released for streaming at the same time in some cases. But even if the business gets back to 2019 levels, the valuation is currently 20 times adjusted, and the company has to eventually deal with more than $5.5 billion in debt. But that's not the point. Fundamentals don't matter here. It's a game being played, and for now it's working. It remains to be seen who will be left without a chair when the music stops at some point. That would be all for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you do, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below your opinion. It matters, and I will join the discussion down in the comment. That would be it for today's video. Have a nice day and goodbye.